Are you tired of unwanted companies cluttering your Odoo database? Learn the exact click path to archive them in under 3 minutes. We'll start on the homepage, click through Settings to Companies, then select, archive, and confirm. It takes less than 3 minutes. Start on your Odoo homepage, where you'll have access to all the main menus. Then, click on Settings in the top navigation bar to get into the configuration area. Once in Settings, go ahead and click on Users and Companies at the top of the page. That'll bring you to the list. Click on Companies to see all the companies in your database. Now, find the company you want to remove and click the checkbox next to it. Then, look to the top of the screen and click on the Actions button. A menu will open, and you'll want to select Archive from the available options. Finally, click Archive again to confirm, and that's it. You're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.